Physical literacy enriched environments are a critical part of developing communities that become physically literate. If you develop the people by training them and create the programs, those are wonderful things. But without the places in the community that are physical literacy enriched, you really can't operationalize the concept of physical literacy. So what's really valuable is that you have to get city designers, landscape engineers, architects, city planners, all of those people understanding how we view the world through a physical literacy lens, as opposed to viewing the world through a physical activity lens. They're completely different. Physical literacy enriched environments look very different than our traditional physical activity enriched environments, which aren't working. So it's vital that communities embrace redesigning communities and creating new communities based on the principles of physical literacy.